Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing video creation, making it easier and more efficient for content creators like us. Imagine having tools that can automatically edit your footage, suggest optimal cuts, or even generate captions in seconds. AI algorithms analyze your content, ensuring that every frame is engaging and tailored to your audience's preferences. With AI-driven platforms, you can enhance your storytelling by using features like automatic scene detection and smart color grading, which save you hours of manual work. Plus, AI can help optimize your videos for different platforms, adjusting formats and resolutions seamlessly. The best part? These tools are becoming more accessible, allowing creators at all levels to produce high-quality content without needing extensive technical skills. Embracing AI in your workflow not only boosts productivity, but also opens up new creative possibilities. So dive in and let AI elevate your video projects to the next level.